Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jenelise. Thanks for stopping by. Today, let's just get right to it. We're gonna be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the new Colourpop Smoke Show eyeshadow palette. Super excited for this one, guys. This is what it looks like. Look, these yummy smoky colors. Like, this is like my jam right here. I love a good smoky eye. So I'm so excited that Colourpop came out with their Smoke Show collection. I also picked up the Heavy Metal Super Shock Trio. You get Friskie, Tassel, and Liberty. You get like a dark, a silver, and a light. So like I'm excited. Let's just dig right in and yeah, let's get to it. So I'm first gonna go in with the shade, I think I'm gonna do Stone Face right here for like a transition. Oh, I put this down, I was gonna pick up my other mirror and there's a mirror in the palette, hello. It makes things so much easier. I love when they do that. Okay. All right. This guy, it's pretty light. It's got like white-ish to it. Oh no, there we go. I've used this palette before, but I have not used Stone Face, so first time using that shade. Okay, you just need to pick up some more on your brush, and then it turns more gray. So what I noticed with this palette, it's very, very cool tones for sure, and I've been using it a couple times, and I've noticed the shades are more of like a blue gray. The good gray colors are more like a blue gray, which is fine. Like, I'm not mad at it. I'm just like super excited for this palette. I think that's gonna be good for now, because I really want to go in with Slated. I like that color. Top that off because I've already done my makeup and I don't want any fallout. Ooh, she is pretty. I have used Slated before and look at that pigmentation. Ooh, girl. And I don't know, you can see it on the camera. Yeah, it's definitely more of like a blue gray, which is, I'm fine with it. I like it. Like I said, it's a very cool tone palette. I guess like with smoky eyes, you want like cool tones. I'm just gonna work that in the outer V. Kind of give that smoky cat eye effect. I'm bringing it up because this is not gonna be necessarily an everyday look. This is gonna be probably, I have a feeling it's gonna turn out a bit bold and dramatic. So I'm taking it up high. Halloween's right around the corner, so it's perfect for that. So I'm taking it up a little high, and I'm going to also take it to that interior corner. I mean, you almost don't need that stone face beforehand because I'm covering it up, but I mean, it's fine for layering. I guess I could have taken stone face a little bit higher to the brow bone, and that would have been, good to have that laid down all over the lid. Because I didn't mention, but if you've watched my other videos, I put concealer all over my lids, but I don't set them with powder or anything because I just think the payoff of the shadow, hello. The shadow just sticks to it better. My opinion. So, not a makeup artist. This is just what I do. Oh, this Slated color is like gorgeous. Like, ooh. It's like a smoky blue-gray. I love it. Yes. Okay, so next up, I'm just gonna do it. I'm going in with, I said I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna go in with Let's Do It. God, if I could figure out how to like hold this thing, it would make my life so much easier. So that's really funny that I said I'm just gonna do it, and the shade's called Let's Do It. I'm taking a small brush because I really want to focus it. Actually, I take that back. I'm gonna use a brush more like this guy, because I'm gonna pack that in the outer V and kind of bring it up a little bit, and I think then I might switch to that smaller brush to be more precise about it. I'm a little scared. I have done this before. Sometimes it looks like a hot mess until you're done, because it's sometimes working with dark colors. It's a little scary and intimidating, but just gotta do it. And it just takes some blending and some time, which is fine. It's all about the end result. You know what I'm saying? And obviously, like, I'm gonna blend this, so like it's not gonna look crazy. It's gonna take it up a little bit. I really want to like focus on that outer V, outer corner, kind of smoking that out. And then I'm going to take that other brush I was talking about that's more like precise, and I'm gonna line the crease and bring it in, because I'm all about the drama right now. It's okay. It's like fall, and then it will be winter. You got spooky season right now. It's okay to be a little bit bold and dramatic. And I mean, smoke show, like smokiness, gotta do it. So this time, using this black, it's actually blending a lot better than the first time I used it. I don't know what was going on there, but just line in the crease. Really want to add that dimension. Yes. It kind of almost gives it like a hollow effect. I guess this would be like a halo in a way. And you can obviously take that first brush with some more of Slated, or even just like a clean fluffy brush, and kind of blend those two shades together so you don't have any harsh lines. You do not want harsh lines, especially when using bold, dark colors. Like that's pretty bold so far. I feel like the camera doesn't make it look as dark maybe as it does in person. No, it doesn't. Okay, so I think I am literally, actually before I do the lid, I am going to, also if you don't want such a harsh line from like that first Slated color, you can take like a clean fluffy brush and kind of just buff that out a little bit, you know, if you want to. I'm gonna take a small brush like this guy, and I'm gonna take Slated. I'm not gonna go in with Let's Do It because I don't wanna look like I've been punched in the eye. So I'm just gonna smoke this out underneath, just like right along the lash line. Yes. Pretty? Yes. So I'm gonna do some Super Shock shadows because I'm all about some sparkle, and I love the consistency of the Colourpop Super Shock shadows. I'm obsessed with them. They're great, so versatile. I think I'm just gonna go bold. Like last time I wore this look, I used Liberty all over my lid, which is like, there you go. It's like a silver, a nice silver. And then I used a little bit of Tassel, which is like a white. I think I'm just gonna go big or go home, right? I'm gonna use Friskie, which is like a black, sparkly goodness. Yeah, let's do this. So that actually probably is a better way of showing it, so I don't have the lights reflecting. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. So the best way to apply your Super Shock shadows is with your finger. Look at that. Yes, please. I'm putting that all over the lid. Oh yes. I'm a little nervous. I haven't done this one before. Ooh. Look. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with this Super Shock shadow. Oh my god. I love this. Oh, look at that freaking sparkle, you guys. Yes, please. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. This Super Shock shadow is probably like my new favorite, especially for this, you know, spooky season. Ooh, yes, girl. I love this. Okay, so I think I was gonna even like smoke out like the Let's Do It and the Super Shock shadow, but I don't even think I need to because that blended together so nicely and they're both kind of like black. It looks great. I might throw on some of the Tassel just in the interior corner and underneath, but that's pretty much it. Super easy. I'm going to go do the other eye so I don't look like a crazy person, throw in some lashes, maybe do some sort of bold lip, see what I'm feeling, and I will be right back. Don't go anywhere, guys. Okay, guys, here's the finished look. She's bold. Like, I love it. It's perfect for like Halloween, the spooky season, fall. Just, I love the Smoke Show palette. Like, look at this, the way this turned out with the Super Shock shadows. Like, I'm super happy. I love it. I did add a little bit of Tassel on the interior corner, just like above and below. And that's about it. I added these big, bold, dramatic lashes from Forever Luxe Lashes. I got their limited edition lash book. Can we talk about how many lashes are in here? I'm like so excited. I've only tried the first 3 in here and I have so many more to play with, and I love a big dramatic lash. And I felt like, you know, with this bold smoky eye, I needed a big lash. I also threw on a red lip, naturally, and this is Fred from the Sophia Nygaard Colourpop Luxe Lipstick collab. Super excited. Can we talk about like this? It's like, hello, Halloween, bats, perfect, spooky season, love it. Super happy with the Colourpop Smoke Show eyeshadow palette and the Heavy Metal Super Shock shadow trio. I love it. I also was feeling very sassy with this look, so I threw on my Molly Pony by insert name here, INH. I will put everything down in the description box. Check them out. I'm obsessed with their wigs and like ponies and buns, and I love it. So yes, I feel very just like, I feel very not me, but me at the same time. Like, I love it. Like, I'm really happy with the way this look turned out. Like, it's a good look. Yeah, it's a bit bold and dramatic, but you know what? 'Tis the season for it, right? So that wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button. I always have problems saying that, but hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this and hang out with me. And yeah, I hope everyone has a great day. And cheers, guys. I'll see you in my next video.